Morning, engine carbon cleaner. We've got a Skoda Fabia 1.2 diesel. This is a 2012 model, 112,000 on the clock. The owners booked this in basically over the years. The fuel economy's dropped off. It's had the DPF light popping on and off more frequently. Car's basically got sluggish, but most importantly recently been going into limp mode, lack of power. There's a few things going on with this. Turbo boost sensor, circuit range performance, turbo boost sensor low input, both active codes. Clear the codes, immediately back on. That sensor needs sorting out. That explains his limp mode issue. In terms of the DPF issue and his fuel economy issue, that's all down to thermostat. So when we got to this, it had been warmed up. It was only showing 66 degrees on the coolant. The hottest we've managed to get this to was 88, just briefly, through all the tricks we could think of to try and get it warm. We've got the fans on inside to pull some of the heat out of the engine bay and drop down into the 70s. This needs a new thermostat. The implications of letting a car run cold for any period of time is basically your fuel economy is going to drop off because it's overfueling. A bit like having a choke pulled out on an old car. Your emissions are going to go up, again, because it's overfueling. Both those things are going to make your fuel economy drop off. It's going to make your car get dirtier faster, which is just like a never-ending cycle of things getting worse and worse. The other thing with it as well, it's got to be typically somewhere about 75 to 80 degrees minimum before a car will even consider regenerating. I suspect in the winter especially, and on short trips, this is just not getting a chance to regenerate. So although there's no DPF blockage, does not need a DPF unblock, any kind of DPF clean on this. It's not blocked yet. It just needs a thermostat and a new turbo boost sensor potentially. Other than that, just needs a general clean-up, which is what we're giving it right now. Loads smoother and quieter now. Got a lot of muck in this one, given it's been running cold for so long. And get this sorted out with a couple of bits and pieces fixed on this and cleaned up, and it should be running back to its best again.